In the early 70s, the Supreme Court of the United States said lawyers could advertise. And it was really a difficult decision, but we decided that that was the way to make our legal services available to people. We were the first people advertising in Palm Beach County. We were the first ones in newspaper advertisements. We were the first ones in television advertisements. Advertising tells people that we're available to give them the help that they need. You need somebody to bring justice for you. We're here for you, and we'll take it to court, or we'll resolve it before going to court, and we'll work as hard as possible to get what our clients deserve.
I grew up in the law. My father and mother were building a law practice from the ground up. I was there literally every step of the way with them. My first job was as the law librarian and file clerk in their office in even elementary school and middle school. So it's something that's been a part of me ever since I was a child. I love solving problems and I love helping people. To me, the practice of law is about finding creative solutions to challenging problems. Our goal is always to help our clients build their business and succeed. Most business people didn't go to law school, and they don't get out of bed in the morning to deal with legal problems. If you have a lawyer who is focused on that in the same way, who sits at the table with them as a part of the team, then they can succeed. And we try to take those burdens of the legal issues off their shoulders so that they can focus on what they're good at.
I was going down the main road and I was slowing down to make a right turn, and all of a sudden all hell broke loose. One of the large buses hit me at 45 miles an hour. Went to the hospital, spent 2 days, had surgery, and then my journey began. I spoke to 3 different attorneys. The bus worked for the county, and these lawyers don't want to take county cases. Luckily, a friend of mine happened to run across Mr. Fetterman. I called him, told him about what happened, without hesitation, took my case. It was a blessing. Mr. Fetterman, Sylvia, my case manager, paralegal, kept me abreast every step of the way of what was going on. They were actually concerned about my well-being. And at the end of the day, my case was resolved. I was very happy. If you ever go through something like I did, or when you think that no one wants to take your case, always remember, Mr. Fetterman, Fetterman Associates, their law team took my case without hesitation. Don't feel like you don't have anybody. Make the call to Fetterman and Associates.
I'm an entrepreneur. The federal market space can be difficult at times. If you don't know what you're doing or you don't read into a clause enough, you can get in a lot of serious trouble. Adam has helped us greatly on the HR subject, building an employee handbook. One of the other biggest things that he helps me with is navigating the federal market space. I would recommend Adam for just about any business out there.
Fetterman Associates is here to help people who have been wronged by someone else. We're the firm that can make sure that you get the justice you deserve. Even after the case is resolved, we check in with our clients. We like to welcome everybody. Once you're a client, you're a family.
Someone should hire us because they're going to get a different level of service than they've ever gotten before from another law firm. Personal service from every single person that they contact. At the same time, they're going to have an entire team behind them working to make sure that their problems get solved in a way that is acceptable and a win for them.